In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a password-protected collection on Shopify. This is really useful if you want to create a private area of your store, maybe for VIP customers, wholesale buyers, or early access drops. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along inside your own Shopify admin. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu panel. Look for the section called Online Store and click on it. When you do that, it will expand and reveal more options underneath. From that expanded list, click on Pages. This is where we're going to create a new page that will act as the locked doorway to your collection. Once you're inside the Pages section, move to the top right corner of the list of pages and click on Add Page. This opens up a blank page editor. At the top, you'll see a field where you can enter the title of your page. Go ahead and type in a name that clearly tells you this is a private area, like VIP access, VIP collection, or private access. This name is mainly for you and your customers to understand what the page is for. Next, look at the main content editor in the center of the screen. By default, you'll be in the rich text view where you can type and format text. For this setup, we need to work directly with the code. So in the upper right corner of the content box, click on the option that says Show TML. When you click that, the editor will switch to show HTML code instead of formatted text. Now you'll want to paste in the code that provides the password form and redirects to your collection. If you're following along with a reference, you can pause the video and carefully copy the exact code shown, then paste it into your HTML editor. Once the code is in place, look through it to find the placeholder password, which might look like VIP123. Replace that text with the actual password you want your customers to use. Make sure it's something easy for you to remember, but not too obvious to guess. In the same code, you'll also see a placeholder that says something like your collection handle. This is where you need to put the handle of the collection you want to protect. You can find a collection handle in your Products in Collections section. It's usually the part of the URL after Share Collections Armories. Replace the placeholder with your own collection's handle exactly, without spaces. When you're done editing the code, go to the top of the page and click Save near the search bar. Saving is important, so none of your changes are lost. After it's saved, click on Preview. This opens the page in a new tab so you can see what your customers will see. You should now see a simple page with a text box asking for a password. When the correct password is entered, it will redirect to your chosen collection, effectively making that collection accessible only to people who know the password, and that's it. You've successfully created a password-protected collection page on Shopify.